Hello dear children, how are you all? Welcome in your grammar class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 8 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start children, chapter number 3, Tenses of Verbs Past. तो इसमें हम पढ़ने वाले हैं past tense के बारे में. Let's learn. सबसे पहले हम formation देखेंगे, forms of the past simple tense. The past simple tense shows an action that happened and finished in the past. जो past में हुआ और finish हो गया, उन tenses को हम past tense में बनाते हैं. Affirmative form कैसे बनाएंगे? Subject plus past form of the verb plus object. Okay? So यहाँ पर verb की second form आएगी. Negative form subject plus did not, या फिर हम इसे लिख सकते हैं didn't plus base form of verb plus object. Interrogative form के लिए did plus subject plus base form of verb plus object. Examples देखेंगे. I played football yesterday. They watched a movie last night. So children notice कि यहाँ पर past form of verb आई है, यानी कि second form of verb. I did not play football yesterday. This is a negative sentence and here the base form of verb will be used. They didn't watch a movie last night. Did you play football yesterday? Interrogative form में भी base form of verb ही लगेगी. Did they watch a movie last night? अब हम देखेंगे uses of past simple tense. We use the past simple tense to point to completed action in the past. जो past में actions complete हो चुके हैं, हम उन्हें point out करते हैं. Example, India won the World Cup in 2011. I visited Jaipur last month. We use past simple tense to refer to past habit और repeated actions. Okay? Repeated action या फिर past habits को बताते हैं. जैसे कि he always carried a diary with him. We often played cricket after school. We use past simple tense to point to action that continued for some time in the past. जो पास्ट में कुछ समय के लिए हुए हो, उनको हम पास्ट टेंस में लिखते हैं. जैसे कि she lived in London for 5 years. वो 5 साल रही पास्ट में, तो ये सेंटेंस हम पास्ट में बनाएंगे. My grandfather worked in the army for a long time. अब हम देखेंगे forms of the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense describes an action that was going on at a certain time in the past. जो past में एक certain time पर चल रहा था. Okay? It is formed using was or were plus ing form of the verb. Affirmative form बनेगी subject plus was or were plus ing form of verb plus object. Negative form subject plus was or were plus not plus ing form of verb plus object. Interrogative form में हम was were को पहले ले आएंगे प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस ing फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. और अगर WH क्वेश्चन वर्ड है यहाँ पर, तो वो पहले आएगा WH वर्ड प्लस was और were प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस ing फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. सो ये है पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस की फॉर्मेशन. एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. I was reading a novel last night. They were playing football. I was not reading a novel last night. They were not playing football. Rest example you read yourself children. अब हम देखेंगे uses of the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to denote an action. ये एक ऐसे action को बताता है going on at a certain time in the past. Example, I was reading a story book at 8 o'clock last night. They were playing football yesterday evening. Okay? The past continuous tense is used to denote two actions happening at the same time in the past. Okay? Past में दो action जब एक same time पर हो रहे हो, उसे भी हम past continuous tense में लिखते हैं. While I was studying, my brother was watching television. Okay? The teacher was explaining the lesson while the students were taking notes. The past continuous shows the longer ongoing action. Okay, लंबे actions को जो लंबे टाइम तक चले उनको डिनोट करता है. And the simple past shows the shorter interrupting action. Okay, I was writing a letter when the lights went out. She was cooking when the guests arrived. The past continuous is used to create atmosphere in a story or describe background action. ये एक एटमॉस्फेयर स्टोरी में आपको क्रिएट करना हो तो आप इसमें आप सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, पीपल वर वॉकिंग क्विकली एज द स्टॉर्म वॉज अप्रोचिंग. द चिल्ड्रन वर लाफिंग एंड प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन. अब हम आते हैं फॉर्म्स ऑफ द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस पर. द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज फॉर्मिंग The present perfect tense is formed using subject plus has or have plus past participle form of verb. Affirmative form में I, we, you, they के साथ आएगा have plus past participle form of verb. He, she, it के साथ we use has plus past participle form of verb. Negative form में subject plus has or have plus not plus past participle form of verb. इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म में हैव और हैज पहले आ जाएगा, ओके, प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव फिनिश्ड माई होमवर्क. दे हैव विजिटेड जयपुर ट्वाइस. आई हैव नॉट सीन दैट मूवी. ही हैज नॉट कंप्लीटेड द वर्क. हैव यू ईटन योर लंच. हैव दे फिनिश्ड द प्रोजेक्ट. अब हम यूजेस देखेंगे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस के. द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस लिंक्स अ पास्ट एक्शन विद इट्स इफेक्ट और इंपॉर्टेंस इन द प्रेजेंट. सो ये हमें पास्ट एक्शन के बारे में बताता है जिसका इफेक्ट अभी प्रेजेंट में भी है. ओके, वो सेंटेंसेस हम बनाते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट फॉर्म में. वी यूज द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस टू पॉइंट टू एन एक्शन that has just been completed. जो बिल्कुल अभी अभी फिनिश हुआ है उस एक्शन को पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज करते हैं. वी यूज जस्ट, ऑलरेडी, yet to show that something has happened close to the present moment. एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे, I have just finished writing the report. Has she already left for the office? So ये हो चुका है लेकिन अभी अभी हुआ है. ओके, वी यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस टू रिफर टू अ पास्ट एक्शन कनेक्टेड टू द प्रेजेंट. रिजल्ट इज स्टिल फेल्ट नाउ. ओके, मैंने आपको बताया कि उसका इफेक्ट अभी तक है, उसका रिजल्ट अभी भी फील किया जा सकता है. सो वहां पर हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, इट हैज स्नोड हेवीली लास्ट नाइट. द ग्राउंड इज स्टिल कवर्ड विथ स्नो. ओके, तो इसका इफेक्ट अभी है. She has broken her glasses, so she still cannot use them now. We have cleaned the room. It is tidy now. Okay. Now note, the focus is on the present result, not on when the action happened. So focus कहाँ पर है? Present result पर है, उस पर नहीं है जो action हुआ. Time words like just, already, yet, ever, never, recently are common with present perfect. अब हम देखेंगे फॉर्म्स ऑफ द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस इज मेड विद सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ये है एफर्मेटिव फॉर्म, नेगेटिव फॉर्म एंड इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म. इसको आप खुद से पढ़ें कि क्या चीज इसमें पहले आती है, जैसे कि सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ये आता है अफर्मेटिव फॉर्म में. एग्जाम्पल्स देखेंगे, शी हैड कंप्लीटेड हर होमवर्क बिफोर डिनर. आई हैड नॉट सीन दैट मूवी बिफोर. हैड यू फिनिश्ड योर वर्क बिफोर ही कॉल्ड. अब यूजेस देखते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के. ओके, वी यूज द पास्ट परफेक्ट टू से दैट वन एक्शन हैड ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड बिफोर अनदर पास्ट इवेंट टुक प्लेस. ओके, एक एक्शन पहले खत्म हो चुका है इससे पहले के दूसरा एक्शन उसकी जगह ले. जैसे कि शी हैड कुक्ड डिनर बिफोर हर गेस्ट्स अराइव. तो गेस्ट के आने से पहले वो खाना बना चुकी थी. द ट्रेन हैड लेफ्ट बिफोर वी रीच द स्टेशन. वी यूज द पास्ट perfect with verbs like hope, expect, think, mean, suppose, want to show that something was planned or expected in the past but did not actually happen. Examples देखेंगे, I had hoped to travel abroad last year but my visa was rejected. They had wanted to buy that house, but it was too expensive. The past perfect can also explain the reason why something happened. ये उस reason को भी बताता है कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ. He failed the test because he had not studied well. I was tired as I had worked all day. Now, forms of the present perfect continuous tense. Affirmative form में आएगा subject plus has or have plus been plus ing form of verb plus object. Negative में has or have के बाद you will add not, बाकी सब same रहेगा. Interrogative में has, have plus subject plus been plus ing form of verb plus object. Examples देखेंगे. She has been reading a novel. I have been waiting for you. Rest example children you will read yourself. हम आते हैं इसके uses पर. We use the present perfect continuous tense to show an action that began in the past and is still continuing in the present. जो past में start हुआ था और अभी तक वो continue है. जैसे कि she has been studying for 3 hours. She started 3 hours ago and is still studying. Okay? They have been living in Delhi since 2015. They started in 2015 and still live there. We use present perfect continuous tense to denote an action that started in the past and has just stopped, but its effect is still visible in the present. जो past में start हुआ था, अभी finish हुआ है, लेकिन उसका effect अभी तक भी है. He is tired because he has been running. The children are wet. They have been playing in the rain. We use present perfect continuous tense to express actions that are temporary and unfinished. Examples: I have been working on a new project this week. We have been staying at a hotel until our house is ready. We use present perfect continuous tense to emphasize repeated actions or complaints with lately or recently. जैसे कि you have been forgetting your homework a lot lately. They have been coming late to class again and again. So आपको कोई complaint करनी हो या repeated action को emphasize करना हो, तब भी आप present perfect continuous tense का use करते हैं. Now we come on the forms of the past perfect continuous tense. Affirmative form में आएगा subject plus had been plus ing form of verb plus object. Negative form में subject plus had not been plus ing form of the verb plus object. Interrogative में had सबसे पहले लगाएंगे plus subject plus been plus ing form of the verb and object. Examples children you will read yourself. Uses of the past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous is used to show an action that was going on for some time in the past before another action happened. Okay? Examples: she had been cooking for 2 hours before the guest arrived. They had been waiting at the station for half an hour before the train came. The past perfect continuous is used to emphasize the duration of an action. ये एक एक्शन की ड्यूरेशन को बताता है up to a point in the past. जैसे कि I had been living in Delhi for 5 years before I moved to Mumbai. He had been studying medicine for 3 years before he changed his course. The past perfect continuous is used to explain the cause of a past situation or condition. तो ये cause भी बताता है हमें past situation की. Example: she was tired because she had been working all day. His clothes were dirty because he had been playing in the park. The past perfect continuous is used to talk about something that started in the past and continued up to the another event in the past. Okay? Past में दूसरे event तक वो continue रहा और start वो past में ही हुआ था. तो इसको भी हम लिखते हैं past perfect continuous में. We had been discussing the project until the manager interrupted us. The teacher had been teaching for 20 minutes when the bell rang. अब आ जाते हैं हम used to पर. Used to shows an action. ये एक action को दिखाता है, habit को, state को that happened regularly in the past. ओके, बट नो लॉन्गर हैपन्स इन द प्रेजेंट। जो आप पास्ट में तो रेगुलर करते थे लेकिन अब प्रेजेंट में वो चीज़ें नहीं होती, तो उसको हम यूज टू लगा के शो करते हैं। एग्जाम्पल, आई यूज टू विजिट माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एवरी समर बट आई डोंट एनी मोर। अब नहीं जाता। He used to drink a lot of tea but now he prefers coffee. Okay, forms of used to, positive form में she used to read fairy tales before bedtime, negative form में she didn't used to read fairy tales before bedtime, और question form में did she used to read fairy tales before bedtime? Okay children, clear? Now let's practice. Fill in the blanks in this passage using the past simple or past continuous form of the verb given in brackets. So, when Rahul entered the library, the students were reading quietly at their desks. The librarian was arranging some new books on the shelves while two boys were discussing a project in the corner. Okay, rest of the paragraph children you will complete yourself. Exercise B, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs, simple past or past perfect. So when we arrived at the cinema, the movie already had begun. फिर से बोल रही हूँ second one. She did not recognize me at first because we had not met for many years. The teacher checked the homework after all the students had submitted their notebooks. By the time the rain stopped, the streets had flooded completely. Rest part of this exercise you will complete yourself. Rewrite the following sentences in the present perfect continuous tense using the phrases given in the brackets. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर present perfect continuous tense में we use have been or has been. So the heavy rains have been flooding the streets for 2 days. आप इसे add करेंगे. The workers have been repairing the bridge since Monday. The children have been playing football for 3 hours. She has been learning French for 6 months. Rest parts of this exercise you will complete yourself. Frame sentences using used to and the clues given below. यहाँ पर आपको clues दिए हैं. Father used to play cricket in college team. We travel by bus school days. So, in school days, we used to travel by bus. She used to wear glasses in her childhood. इसी तरह से आप बाकी sentences को भी frame करेंगे. Okay, children? So, this chapter ends here. I hope that this is clear to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.